Hare Krishna. This is the trailer of day 1 to day 7 Mahabharata, so kindly don't miss it. It is conflict between cousins, Pandu sons as Pandavas and Dhritarashtra's sons as Kauravas for the throne of Hastinapura. Today it is Haryana. The number 18 is important in Mahabharata, as Duryodhana had 11 Akshauhini Senas and Pandavas had 7, that is equal to 18. It is 18 Parvas in Mahabharata. The Mahabharata war was for 18 days. It starts from Divya vision of Sanjaya, who explains the entire war to blind King Dhritarashtra. Sage Vyasa gave the Divya Drishti to Sanjaya, that is divine vision. He explains about Bharatavarsha and its military, conch shell names of heroes who blows to start the war. Sri Krishna being Supreme Soul as charioteer for Arjuna. Introduction of King of Kashi, Shikandi, Drishtadyumna, King Virata, Satyaki, Drupada, Draupadi, and Upapandavas, Subhadra's sons, all at battlefield. Let us see the day 1 of Mahabharata war. Bhishmacharya leading the Kauravas against Pandavas. Dushasana fought with Nakula. Yudhishthira fought with Shalya. Drishtadyumna fought with Drona. Duryodhana with his brothers surrounded Bhima. King Virata's son was driven by Arjuna. Yudhishthira lost his son. It was heavy loss for Pandavas. The day 2 of Mahabharata war. Arjuna decided to kill Bhishma. Krishna locates Bhishma's chariot. Drona and Drishtadyumna were in fierce battle. Duryodhana sent Kalinga troops. Seeing this, Satyaki killed Bhishma's charioteer. So Bhishma went away from battlefield. It was lost for Kauravas on this day. Day 3 of Mahabharata war. Bhishma made Shaina Vyuha, that is Garuda Vyuha, countered with Pandavas Ardha Chandra Vyuha, that is Chandrakala Vyuha. Abhimanyu and Satyaki tried to defeat Gandhara forces of Shakuni. Bhima with his son Ghatotkacha attacked Duryodhana. Bhima hit arrows to Duryodhana's chariot, so he ran out of field. Bhishma changed the Vyuha and Duryodhana came back. He got angry on Bhishma for showing leniency towards Pandavas. Kauravas attacked Arjuna's chariot, covered with arrows and javelins. Arjuna protected his chariot. Now Krishna drove the chariot towards Bhishma. Moral is, the death hour is near. Arjuna's Gandiva cut Bhishma's bow in 2 pieces. Krishna protected Arjuna. Krishna got angry as Bhishma's strength. Arjuna pulls him back. On the day 4, Bhishma advised Duryodhana to seek peace, but he ignored. The moral importance of bad association is shown. Bhima attacked Duryodhana's elephant force and killed Duryodhana's brothers, as it was Bhima's oath in gambling. End of the day, after the war, Duryodhana asked Bhishma, after having superior weapons in their side, how Pandavas are winning? The answer was Krishna, the peace seeker, in their side. On the day 5, again with the strength of Bhishma, Pandavas suffered. Arjuna killed thousands of soldiers. Bhima had fierce battle with Bhishma. Satyaki saved Bhima. On the day 6, Drona killed many Pandavas. Bhima broke the Krauncha Vyuha. On the day 7, Drona, the son of King Virata, had a fierce battle. This day ended with Kauravas' victory. Thank you.